Hi, बोल दे.
Hi, please.
500 crores. Let me think.
हैं? इसके बाद क्या करेंगे भाई? What's gonna happen after this?
Madhu
का
in
comedy.
season 2 has lost her comedy completely.
Yeah,
her
but-
life is a comedy.
She's so protective of Vasya, and Shreya is so protective of me.
Oh wow.
कि season 1 में she had to slap me, and she's not slapping me. She can't slap me. And I'm telling her आवाज आ जाएगी, मार ना, एक बार मार तो सही घुमा के. फिर वो तेज लगा था बहुत.
हाँ फिर मैंने मारा.
फिर वो
अच्छा नहीं अच्छा
बहुत
चाहिए.
तेज मारा.
Attack, एक दे देती हूँ.
नहीं ऐसे मत मार श्रिया. कान के नीचे. देखो इतने गालियां वाले मेल, इतने डीएम आए, इतने डीएम कि भाई वी डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट दिस फ्रॉम यू. मैंने कहा ठीक है,
वही तो success
मैंने कहा
है.
ओके मैंने कहा ठीक है.
Taza Khabar is back with season 2 and I'm here with actors Bhuvan Bam, Shriya Pilgaonkar, Devin Bhojani and Prathamesh Parab talking about what is Naya and Taza in this new season. Hi guys, welcome.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Hi. Season 1 was fantastic. It ended with a cliffhanger which I was like, oh, why here? Did you get that reaction from your fans that, you know, अरे अब क्या?
We had that reaction when we first read it.
Yeah.
Yeah, जब first time हुसैन भाई and अब्बास भाई narrated us the story, तो we were like, हैं? इसके बाद क्या करेंगे भाई? What's gonna happen after this? But I'm happy the way it turned out from script to screen, and yeah, I think it was a similar reaction of everyone who watched the show. Exciting है, मतलब उसकी possibilities कितनी खुल जाती हैं फिर
Right.
second season की.
Right. But season 2 was planned, right?
No.
Because you end
No.
with the cliffhanger means
No.
No, the
आगे
hope
की
is
कहानी
always
तो पता नहीं
there.
है.
The hope is always there for all shows, series are encouraged to have that cliffhanger, but not many make it to season 2.
That's also
So
true.
we didn't know.
Yeah.
if
We didn't
it
know.
would
We didn't
happen.
know. Hussain Abbas bhai, they just ended the show with that.
Wow.
And they were like, "Ki, let's see what how people react to this, and then
Okay.
we'll think
Okay.
what to do with."
Okay.
Was
Because
that?
it looked like it was shot in continuation. So it looked like you started off where you ended.
That's
Like-
a compliment. Thank you.
Luckily, we didn't age
Thank
too
you.
much.
Thank you. Yeah.
But
yeah.
it was not shot back to back.
No.
There was a
No,
gap.
not
Oh
एक
wow.
1.5 साल का gap.
Yeah.
Oh wow. That
Yeah.
does not come across at all.
मतलब हमारा शरीर वैसा की वैसा ही है.
Same emotion लेके हम चढ़े ट्रेलर में और सही है, बढ़िया है.
Right. But you know what? When season 1 came out, did you get a lot of reactions from your fans saying कि they probably expected more comedy?
No, actually, season 1 was a very light-hearted season.
You call that light-hearted? Okay.
Yeah, at least before he gets crazy, at least before
Yeah,
Vasya
right,
gets crazy
right.
and he betrays all of them. But the first 3 episodes were pretty much funny. The banter between all 4 of us, it was funny. Season 2 is something on a really dark and emotional side. It has too much action, and we have picked it up from where we had left.
Right.
So naturally, there is lesser scope for comedy there. But there is situational comedy.
Yes,
Right,
When
of course.
Peter and Vasya, Mehboob bhai, Peter and Vasya, Madhu तो खैर
Madhu
का
in
comedy.
season 2 has lost her comedy completely.
Yeah,
her
but-
life is a comedy.
But it's a situational comedy.
yeah,
What do you do? A bunch of helpless folks. What do they do?
Right.
तो वो एक situational comedy है इसमें.
I only managed to watch like a few episodes of season 2, and you know, I really like that scene where you enter the hospital and Atisha ji is like,
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
That's really nice. I mean, I remember that's a very nice situation, and I also love how the show completely merges the emotion and the darkness and the relationships and the comedy. It's such a gamut of so much. So for me, I actually remember the emotional parts more than the comedy actually. That's
Yep.
why I thought it's
Yep.
not that funnier show probably.
Ji.
Not in the season 2. In fact, very rightly so. Season 1, according to me, is drama and comedy, and season 2 is drama and action.
Right.
But emotion is consistent in both.
Right.
We've never lost sight of emotions.
Yeah.
Yes.
And a lot of the times, you know, focusing on the plot, people lose the importance of emotional resonance with characters.
Right.
Also, because Prathamesh, Devin sir and I, we have this comedy ka background. So naturally people thought it's a comedy show.
Comedy show.
Which it is not. While reading, while writing, while performing, we never thought that we are shooting a comedy show. वो situational comedy.
Situational comedy.
Right.
Season 2 में भी we have this in our mind कि their life is funny, but it's so tragic.
Yeah.
दैट
Yes.
उस ट्रेजेडी में कॉमेडी है कि लुक हाउ दीज हेल्पलेस बंच ऑफ फोक्स
Yes.
हाउ डू दे गेट आउट ऑफ दिस मेस.
Yeah.
तो
It's
ये
a
वही
full bouquet of comedy and drama
Yeah.
and romance also,
Yeah.
and friendship and coming of age and fantasy, of course.
The
and,
friendship
True,
really.
actually.
yeah. And action added to all that.
Right.
नहीं, सिचुएशन इतनी सीरियस हो जाती है ना, सिचुएशन बहुत सीरियस होती है, तो इतनी सीरियस सिचुएशन में ये 3 कैरेक्टर्स करेंगे क्या?
But वही तो humor है.
वही
वही
तो
हाँ.
अपनी औकात के ऊपर थोड़ी जा सकते हो. तो वो वही कर रहे हैं जिसमें
Right.
लोग हंसते हैं,
Right.
तो वही है.
Right. One of the most beautiful things is, I guess, your friendship. You know, Peter and Vasya, the way they bond. I think is that something that you've taken off screen as well? Do you guys hang out and talk and has that been
हैंगआउट्स
like
नहीं
a-
करते हम,
Right.
लेकिन हमारा प्यार बहुत ज्यादा है.
बहुत ज़्यादा है. मेरे
बहुत
को ये
ज़्यादा.
रियलाइज हुआ है कि सीजन 1 में अपन ने बातचीत करी शुरू, पर अपन ने जाना एक दूसरे को सीजन 2 में
2 में
बहुत ज़्यादा जाना.
सीरियसली.
और मेरे को लगता है वो जो ऑफ कैमरा बातचीत करते हैं हम लोग,
करते हैं,
जो कि फालतू होती है, वही
कुछ
वही दिखती है. कुछ
yes.
सर पैर होता नहीं अपनी बातों
नहीं,
में,
नहीं.
वही
सही.
दिखती है.
और हम रैंडम चीजें बात करते हैं.
हाँ,
Right.
और
मतलब
दोस्त यही बातें करते हैं.
हाँ.
है ना?
और वो वाइब आई थिंक शो में भी आता है. ऐसा
हाँ.
लगता नहीं आप लोग डायलॉग बोल रहे हो.
हाँ,
Yeah.
एक्चुअली मतलब हम वरली सीलिंग पे थे. वरली सीलिंग के सामने हमने एक ऊपर बंगले में एक शूट किया. वहाँ पे हम आउट ऑफ नो वेयर सीरियस बातें कर रहे हैं, हम दोनों ही.
क्या
मतलब
बढ़िया
वहाँ पे
view, क्या
व्यू,
बढ़िया view
इतना
था.
बढ़िया व्यू है, सीलिंग दिख रहा है, समुंदर चल रहा है, और हम एक मतलब उसके भी लाइफ में एक सीरियस बात है, मेरे भी लाइफ में एक सीरियस बात है, उस बात पे हम
हाँ.
बातें कर रहे
मेरे को लगता है उस टैंजेंट पे जब कोई चला जाता
हैं.
है,
हाँ,
तो मेरे को नहीं लगता वो दोस्ती भी नहीं होती, वो भाईचारा ही होता है.
भाईचारा ही होता है.
Right.
भाई वाला फील.
Right. Shreya, your character, I think, first of all, it's so relatable and so heartening to see this girl trying to make a life of her own, stand on her own 2 feet despite the situation she is in, and she's somewhere used, a bit manipulated and all of that. Do you relate to that, first of all? And secondly, in many situations, I felt like, why is she putting up with this? Why is she dealing with letting Vasant behave the way he is? You know, and you feel that anger a little. And what did you think about that? How did you justify those reactions from Madhu?
I think that's a great question, firstly. I think the pulse of that is that when you love someone, you don't give up on them very easily. Now, if you put up with something for too long, then some people can call it toxic and some people can say you didn't stand up for yourself. I would say I'm also like that I will really stand up for someone and give them that benefit of doubt till I can't. And luckily, with Vasya, even though there's a lot of hurt, Madhu knows the heart of
Yeah.
Vasya, even though she's hurt. And the beauty of season 2's arc for Madhu is that here this guy comes in, the one she truly loves, and he gives all of them so much hope, and then he takes it away.
Yeah.
So all of them are really vulnerable in this situation. And also Madhu has left her life as a sex worker in that brothel to start afresh, hoping that her strength is by her side, and then suddenly that strength is also taken away, and now she has to find that inner strength yet again. And I think all of us in life have faced situations like that, where life has knocked us up in some way, and then we have to find that inner strength, and you can't rely on anybody else. So these are human emotions that everyone has faced, so which is why it's more relatable, you know.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
she's so protective of Vasya, and Shreya is so protective of me.
Oh wow.
कि season 1 में she had to slap me, and she's not slapping me. She can't slap me, and I'm telling her आवाज आ जाएगी, मार ना एक बार, मार तो सही घुमा के. फिर वो तेज लगा था बहुत.
हाँ, फिर मैंने मारा. I
फिर वो
said, अच्छा नहीं अच्छा
बहुत
चाहिए,
तेज मारा.
attack, एक दे देती हूँ.
नहीं ऐसे मत मार श्रेया, कान के नीचे.
While you're watching the show, sometimes it feels like Vasant deserves it. I'm sorry.
He does.
Good.
He does.
That means he's done a good job.
He does.
He's done a good job.
मेरे को इतनी गालियाँ वाले मेल, इतने DM आए, इतने DM कि भाई we didn't expect this from you. मैंने कहा ठीक है,
वही तो success
मैंने कहा
है.
okay.
It
मैंने
makes you
कहा
a
ठीक है.
Right. Devin, for you, I mean, I think Mehboob acts as the conscience of the show at various points. Morality, you know, police. I mean, coming back, you know, reminding, ये सही नहीं है, ये गलत है.
Yeah.
What did you think of your character, and what's your significance, Mehboob's significance in Vasant's life?
I feel it's a major thing. Mehboob, though he is righteous or, you know, कि प्रिंसिपल्ड और मॉरल्स एंड एथिक्स और वो सब उसके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। पर जहाँ उसकी बेटे की बात आती है, बेटी के एजुकेशन की बात आती है, उसके फ्यूचर की बात आती है, तो महबूब भी कभी कभार थोड़ा सा हिल जाता है। सो इट्स अ फ्लॉड कैरेक्टर एंड देन ही ट्राइज टू करेक्ट। मतलब उसका एक मन वो डिलेमा जो होता है ना, एक मन मान रहा है कि नहीं नहीं ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, बट समटाइम्स कि या वसंत के साथ उसकी जो रिलेशनशिप है वो बेटा समान, यू नो, महबूब भाई इज काइंड ऑफ अ फ्रेंड, फिलोसोफर एंड गाइड टू हिम। सो ही ऑलवेज स्टॉप्स हिम कि किडनैप करोगे या व्हाटएवर, यू कांट डू दिस, और
बट वो साथ में कर रहे हैं।
वो साथ में कर रहे हैं। When he gets convinced by वसंत because he sees the larger picture कि दिल का बड़ा अच्छा बंदा है, बड़ा ही अच्छा, जेन्युइन है, सिर्फ उसके तरीके गलत हैं। तो कितना ही वो रोकने की कोशिश करते हैं पर फाइनली वो गिव अप कर देते हैं। एंड यू नो दैट्स द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ महबूब भाई's character, I would say, the flawed character.
Right. One last question. If you earn 500 crores in a day, what's the first thing you'll buy?
Investment. I'll invest.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Shreya?
500 crores. Let me think.
Devin?
मैं कुछ 2-3 करोड़ रख लूँगा अपने लिए, पर फिर और क्या कर सकते हैं यार इतने सारे पैसे। I'll donate.
Yeah.
I mean 5 maximum.
So donate to me now.
I will. अगर मिल जाए आपको, क्यों भाई, आपके पास वैसे ही बहुत ज़रूरतमंद लोग हैं दुनिया में, तो मैं उनको डोनेट करूँगा।
Wow. Wow.
एंड आई मीन इट, क्योंकि है ना कुछ 2-4 करोड़ या जो भी फैमिली कहेगी 10 करोड़, अच्छा 10 करोड़ रख ले बस, अभी बस,
Right.
फिर इतना फिर क्या
There's a
करना है
limit
इस-
to the
Yeah,
aspiration.
exactly.
हाँ,
Right. Padmish?
500 करोड़ मुझे लगता है अच्छी मराठी फिल्में बनाऊंगा
Okay. Wow.
अगर आ गए तो।
Wow. You can tell me one thing you want to buy. It doesn't have to be all of 500 crores.
I mean, to be honest, I love to travel, so I'll travel
Travel.
the world. But at the same time, 500 crores is such a number that, to be honest, like Devin sir said, that after a point, the instinct is also to share that, give that back. बहुत है in 500 crores to enjoy and to also feel better about it.
yeah. In life I'm very content, like, you know, happy, ठीक है
Yeah.
अभी इतना,
Yeah.
तो और क्या करेंगे इतना पैसों
Yeah,
का?
yeah.
How
True.
nice.
I'll produce also.
Oh.
I'll fund independent films and
Oh,
I'll
that's
produce
great.
also.
That's
you know,
great.
Since you said
Yeah.
कि इतना पैसा है, तो ऐसे इतने अच्छे writers हैं, filmmakers हैं who look for funding. So good, you made me think about it.
Wow.
Hi, this is Shreya Pilgaonkar.
Hi, I'm Bhuvan Bam.
This is Prathamesh Parab.
हाय आई एम देवेन भोजानी।
And we've lost our minds because we are so excited because Taza Khabar is going to be streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar from,
27 September.
and you're watching us on
Midday.
.com.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.